What's up, lemons? Welcome to the Lemon Crew, and in today's video I'm gonna try and make some sort of Halloween-y look using a mask. Whether we actually need to wear masks on Halloween because of COVID or if it's over, and yeah, it'll just be like a cool little nod to COVID, I guess. I don't know. I thought it'd be a cool idea because I saw someone else do it where you like make a mask out of liquid latex and like pull it and stuff. And I was like, why not one of this? All I gotta hope is that I have no red on my face because I have work tomorrow, but we'll see. So the first thing to do is put it onto your face, pull it down, make it fit, whatever. Then you get a pen. I'm gonna use red. You can already see where I tried to do this. Make a little mark, then take it off. I only have nail scissors, but it's fine. Cut where you made that mark. This is kind of an issue because of the nose thing, but we'll figure that out as we go. It doesn't have to be completely straight, but just make sure it does still cover your mouth. So if we do need to use this as, you know, an actual social distancing measure sort of situation, it still is actually functional. But with the access piece of this, just fold it in on itself, I guess. This is the first time I'm doing this, so we'll see how it goes. So then the mask is literally just like this. With this mask thing, on this mask you can push it down, but if you can't on yours, I don't really know what to suggest. Just try and figure out a way that it's not poking you. This is probably gonna turn out so bad. I'm just gonna mark on my face. I'm just gonna use red, because if I'm using blood, red is going to blend right in. Okay, so this line. This is so weird, but I hope it works, because if it does, I will be wearing this to work. Just so you know, I'm filming this in the very start of September, so if someone else posts this before me, I'm not copying them, I just pre-record. Next, I'm just going to take some liquid latex and line the inside of the mask that is going to stick to my face so it actually sticks to me. This is probably going to make the mask stink because latex does not have a very pleasant smell. You could probably also use spirit gum on this as well. But honestly, whatever works best for you, go for it. Yes, it does. It's stinky as anything. Where does this go? Stick it to my face. Wow, this is not working. That'll do. Okay, stay. Get some more latex and go over the outside to further stick it to your face. So, because this isn't sticking very well, I'm gonna get some tissue, just the one layer of it though, rip it, and then stick over it. Okay, let's stick it a lot better now. Honestly, sorry about this awful lighting. It's really not sunny day, so it's just the only time I really have. So I'm using it. So if you can see, I'm just using tissue and latex to build up a little layer overlapping my skin and the mask. Honestly, I'm probably not the best to come to if you're looking for like a super professional looking, like anything to do with special effects, because I just do it for fun. I'm not very good. I just thought of the idea, so it'd be cool. I feel like everyone this year is either gonna be like Carol Baskin, Tiger King, something to do with that. Or something to do with COVID. Probably like pajamas or something. I'm like, haha, I'm in lockdown, but like, let's go extra. While also being safe. This might take a few layers, to be honest. So eventually I will go over this with foundation to try and make it match my face, even though my foundation does not match my face because I don't wear makeup on the daily. So first things first, to let this dry. Okay, so it's pretty much dry and I'm really impatient. This is so dark, honestly. Oh my god, but if I go lighter, you can't even see. So we're just gonna go with it, I guess. I'm gonna use another crap sponge because I do not have a beauty blender or anything like that. So yeah, I'll just use that, dab it on. Try and get in all the gaps. I nearly just dripped that onto my joggers. And if you saw my last special effects video, you know how I messed up with that. So seeing how this is going so far, I don't really know how to incorporate the gore. It just seems like it's really welded to the mask on my face and I don't know what to do. To be honest, this could be a look for Halloween. Like, you know, molding COVID's making, you know, face mask part of your face sort of thing. I don't know, you do you. So I got foundation on and it looks awful. But like, I am not very good at foundation or matching my face. So I don't really know what to do about that. I'm tempted to add more latex because it just seems like it's not, like this line here is an issue. I don't know. Obviously once that's dry I need to use setting powder. Even though my brush is covered in foundation from doing it too soon, which I'm probably going to do now. I don't really know what this has achieved, but this is where we're at. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these scalpel-y things and try and unstick it maybe? I don't really know how to do this. I guess I'll just add blood and see where we're at. And pray I don't drip anything on me. I'll be back. I think this looks alright though. I think. Okay, so I think this is pretty much what it's gonna be like. You could leave it at this point, or I'm thinking of turning these, like the lines from the tissue, because I can't get it very even, into like veins maybe, like purpley veins. It doesn't need to be realistic, you know. This is COVID. Bluey colour even. The issue with these colours that I have, they're really like vibrant. So I need to like go over them with the brown maybe? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try and mix a colour. Get some red, some blue, even though it's mixing on the actual paint. It's a little bit more muted. It's a little bit cartoony right now. Just hoping I can actually pull this back. So I'm gonna mix a tiny bit of foundation into the actual colour that I'm using. Okay, I'm really not good at this. It's sad because I really enjoy it and it just always looks bad. Okay, I might be getting somewhere. I'm gonna take this sponge and just pat it out. See where we can get with doing that. I'm just dabbing them out so they seem more like in the skin than like purple. Yeah, this is where we're at right now. I'm gonna add some more blood as well. I'm gonna use a thicker one. This one, I don't know if you can see what it is, but it's mahogany, which I broke the lid off, so it's thick. And it also smells like sweets, which is really nice. Okay. That is so thick, never mind. I don't even know if I should like add some more or something to this to make it less clumpy. I mean, it looks actually disgusting, which is obviously what we're going for. But we want it to kind of be sturdy enough to, you know, not drip everywhere too, like it is trying to do. Okay, I'm done with this one. I think this is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm really liking the veins and my camera is dying. So, so I add a tiny bit more fake blood. So you can never have too much until it drips down you, but that's a whole different story. But yeah, I think this is where we're gonna end up. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, you know the drill. Because it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I know some people like the peeling part, so... Okay. It's literally pulling my eye. Ew. Honestly, that's pretty easy cleanup, I'm not gonna lie. This is actually really good.